Chapter 23, How to See Knossos, While You Are There. As you walk through Knossos, use the site in layers. When you stand in the West Court, think of public approach, procession, gathering, and the threshold between town and palace. When you move toward the entrances, think of controlled access, ceremonial movement, and painted corridors. When you reach the central court, imagine the palace rising around you in several stories. Think of light, circulation, performance, ceremony, and authority. When you see storerooms and pithoi, think of agricultural control, record-keeping, redistribution, and palace economy. When you see staircases, light wells, and reconstructed columns, think of engineering, ventilation, upper floors, wooden frameworks, and climate-conscious architecture. When you see frescoes, remember that color was central to the palace experience. But also remember that many famous frescoes are fragmentary and reconstructed. When you hear the name Minos or Labyrinth, separate myth from evidence, but do not dismiss the myth. It is part of how this place was remembered. When you see the ruins, do not reduce them to stones. The palace was once full of people: administrators, craft workers, farmers, scribes, musicians, athletes, ritual specialists, elite families, servants, visitors, and worshippers. Knossos was not only a palace, it was a system,